So we're at Shepparton Secondary College. Tell us what the hell's going on today.
We're here with the Songmakers program and we're writing our own song. It's probably like best day of my life.
Such a safe place to share your ideas and contribute.
I think it's really cool because you get to experience, like, if you're actually in the music industry, what it's like to write a song and to sit down and produce it.
It was so cool meeting Tucker, Donna as well. I was low-key fangirling because I'm like, well, I can see her. I can talk to her and she's so nice.
Is there anything from Dana that you've learned?
You have to trust in the process. Strip it all back. She's just putting sounds onto a sound. She's like, record this, maybe do something like this. I think it's really cool.
How was it working with Tucker Perry?
He was very helpful with just like coming up with like the interesting melodies and all that sort of stuff.
It was so cool watching him do like what he does. He was full jamming on the guitar and we were literally shocked because we didn't know he could play guitar.
Do you feel like maybe now you're going to like be able to keep making stuff?
Yeah, absolutely. It doesn't seem such a daunting task anymore.
You're trying to teach them songwriting essentials. So what are you seeing out there?
The kids have the ideas in their head and I'm just there to kind of nurture that.
You don't have to overthink things. The simplest songs are sometimes the best songs. Most of them have never done this before. Some of them heard their voice for the first time through a microphone, so it's just really cool that they get to experience.
It's more so about teaching them the process, and this is something that if you do every day, day in, day out, eventually you're going to find that magic song that does something really cool.
If you weren't here, let's just say the expert level would drop dramatically.
I agree.
Oh, yeah.